Hey y'all, woo, today I am excited to be having Angelina's Pizzeria, whatever. Angelina's and Napoli are like two of my favorite Italian places locally here in Vegas. I got their small calzone. Well, it's not that small. I mean, it serves like 1 to 2 people according to the website, but yeah, I just figured since I was getting like a pasta dish, I got this manicotti. Y'all know what that is? It's like tubes of pasta filled with cheesy goodness and covered in you know, red sauce and cheese, garlic bread, and I also got a nice little salad, which I'm gonna doctor up and take a bite of. And I got a really large lemonade. It was like a 32-ounce lemonade because I freaking love lemonade. I don't know why, but, and this is a pink one too. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so good. Okay. Pause. You know what they forgot?
My chicken.
My cannoli.
And my chicken.
You didn't have no chicken in the chicken fettuccine?
Right, there's no chicken.
What?
Just shrimp.
Oh, maybe because you chose the shrimp for extra, they just avoided the... Oh, that's so dumb. Okay.
Yep. Oh, well, and your cannoli, damn.
Yeah, no cannoli.
I'll get you right back on that one.
Yes, I will. And I'll get my money back on some chicken, too.
Chicken?
Yeah.
They forgot your chicken?
No. You didn't get chicken in your fettuccine. I'm going to tell them something about it.
I'm thinking maybe we misunderstood that.
You know, I thought it was like extra, you know.
Me too.
Chicken with shrimp on top of that, which that's what I thought we got last time.
But there was a different section that said chicken and shrimp.
Yeah.
But when I saw it, it said extra shrimp or add shrimp for $2.
Well, the one that I ordered was chicken fettuccine Alfredo, right. And then $2 extra for shrimp. So
yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
And there was a separate one that was literally said chicken and shrimp.
Yeah.
So I'm like
maybe they just like
they're like, oh, for $2 more we'll switch out the chicken for only shrimp. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I know they had a shrimp fettuccine too, so it's just whatever. But I wanted that cannoli. Okay, I had to bitch for a minute off camera. Okay, I'm ready. Let me fix my little salad up here real quick. I got Italian dressing because I like Italian dressing. Ooh, that's a really thick one. Y'all always tell me eat a salad. So once in a while I eat a little bit of salad for y'all. Me and Nick Avocado, we would joke because I was like, you know, I don't want this stupid salad, so we started calling it a stupid salad. But actually, I kind of do because it's got like little shredded cheddar. It's got little red onions, croutons, black olives. Looks like some little cherry tomatoes. Ooh, This looks like a good salad. Oh man, I get too much onion in that bite. Mm. 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 Trying to stab a tomato with this little plastic fork. Mmm. See, I moan over everything. It ain't just junk food. Mmm. 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 Bite a crouton. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's some cucumber. Nope. I dropped it. Mmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, I will get back to that. Mm. Mm. Ooh, ooh, I love it. All right. Let me see about getting into this little calzone. Yeah, they had the small, medium, and large. And this baby right here is the small. And I just got it with like extra garlic and extra cheese. I don't know if there's extra cheese in here. It's pretty thin. Mm. Ooh. Mmm. Ooh, that baby is creamy. Mmm, and cheesy. Mmm. 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 Oh man. Break off another piece here. Mmm. Ooh, I tell you what, it's good. Mmm. Mmm. I don't know if it's quite as good as Napoli's calzone though, but it's good. Mmm. Oh, it's juicy. Nice dough. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh yes. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. the buttery stuff, that the butter brush on it. It's got a garlicky, parmesan-y flavor. It's a little bit salty. Mmm. 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 The marinara is pretty good too. Mmm. 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 All right, let's see. Where's my manicottis? Those are like tubes, but I don't even see the pasta. Oh, there's one. You see, it's like a tube full of cheese. I gotta use a knife. But the pasta is handmade. Apparently. Oh, excuse me. Cut that one into 3 big bites. Oh man. Oh god, and there's so much cheese, like, just hanging around. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. I haven't eaten a lot of manicotti in my life. I mostly go for pasta dishes like lasagna. Sometimes ravioli. I mean, I don't think I've ever eaten ravioli on the channel other than out of a can. So cheesy. Mm. 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 Oh. Oh my goodness. Mm. Wow. Those are good. It's got like ricotta, mozzarella. Ooh, and it's got like a thick layer of mozzarella on top. Mm. 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 And the pasta is chewy and al dente. Whoa. Mm. Oh my gosh. Ooh, so I'm guessing there was like 4 of these manicottis. Oh yeah, turn loose. You know, I'm not sure if I like this better than I like lasagna. Because other than the meat, which I could have gotten a meat sauce. But yeah, it doesn't have any meat in it. Oh, wait a minute. I've got to cut some more. But like it's like the pasta's so dense. And the sauce is so, like, delicious. Keep cutting, keep cutting. You're gonna eat all that. Yep, you sure are. But yeah, the pasta is like dense and the sauce is delicious and the cheese on the inside is like creamy. Mmm. Mmm. Whoa. Whoa. Mm. Mm. That is, that is so good. Mm. 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 I'm gonna sop up every bit of this red sauce. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow. Mm. Oh boy. I have to tell you about this show that we're watching. Mm. We're watching season 1 and 2 on Netflix. It's called Manifest. It's about this trippy situation where these people are on an airplane flying home from a vacation. And apparently they land 5.5 years in the future. Yeah. Mm. And besides that, there's some other kind of interesting things that go on with the passengers. Mm. But it's like got our attention, like full on. They have season 1 and 2 on Netflix, and season 3 is on Hulu. Mm. But it's definitely one that I would recommend. It kind of has the feeling of, not totally, but it's kind of in that vein where there's something really weird going on, but you don't quite know what. I mean, ooh, almost inhaled. But hopefully they explain more as we go. But it's kind of like Lost or The Leftovers. Just one of those shows that's just like out there, but it like holds your attention. Or at least it does mine. It's got me right now. Mm. Mm. We've also been watching Loki on Disney Plus. That's a cute show. I see that going in an interesting direction. I mean, of course, anything to do with the God of Mischief is going to be fun. But, I'm filming this on a Tuesday, and this should come out on Wednesday, which means Wednesday's Loki Day. I'm getting episode 3. Oh my god, this manicotti is so good. Ooh. The chew on that pasta is so satisfying. Oh man, that's good. Oh. I'm happy right now. You can now tell. Wow. Hoo-wee. Good salad. Oh. Excuse me. Trying to even remember what I've been watching on my own. I've been having trouble, like, nothing's like capturing me, you know, on my own. I'm like, what to watch, what to watch. On Hulu, I'm watching a couple of shows. Let's see, there's Penny Dreadful, City of Angels. Trying really hard to get through that. Not nearly as good as the first Penny Dreadful. And there's a season of, I think, Watchmen. I just started that. I'm still liking episode 1, but I like it so far. I looked to see if there were any more seasons, and I didn't see any, and I was like, oh. Yeah, not too much has been going on. Not too much. I played some Sims. Well, Sims 4. Just wasting a little bit of time here and there. before I get back to the hard work of watching TV. My life is so hard. They put an awful lot of croutons on this little bitty salad. Oh man. I watched Man of Steel yesterday. I was inspired by YouTube to watch it for probably the sixth or seventh time. I was watching videos on, because, you know, Superman is DC. There was a video I was watching. It was like 20 Marvel superheroes that could basically, you know, beat Superman. And really, you know, even the way they described, in most cases, it was just either Superman was being like too easy on them, or it was vague on whether they really could or not. Yeah, I don't know about that. There are a few that are quite, you know, kind of on the same level as Superman. And of course there's kryptonite. That's an issue. Iron Man, you know, he could have that taken care of in a minute. And what was another one? Oh, he's also, he doesn't do well against magic. So magic users like Scarlet Witch and stuff like that, they can have an advantage. So yeah, I was nerding out a little bit yesterday. Just a little bit. And I'm excited about upcoming Marvel movie. I think it's supposed to come out in November, called The Eternals. So I've been watching lots of videos on their history. You know, I didn't grow up like reading comic books. I mean, I had like a few comic books, but that wasn't like my go-to thing. I was more of an outside kid, just running around in the woods and stuff, you know, than sitting at home and reading, which I read a lot for a little outdoorsy kid, but I read like regular size books, not like, you know, graphic novels and things like that. My very first graphic novel was actually a copy of Bram Stoker's Dracula, so that was my comic book. But I did have a few like Thor and a few like Hulk comics. I think I had a Spider-Man too, but I don't think I ever had a Superman. And Superman was like one of my first superhero loves. I mean, from watching like episodes of the first Superman series, black and white, that Superman. Yeah. I'm that old. But I mean, it was syndicated. it was like already old when I watched it, but excuse me. I'm gonna take off this juicy middle piece. Ooh, 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 all the cheese. It's cheesy and garlicky. But like the first actual comic book I purchased I forget how old I was, probably 7, 8, something like that. Maybe a little bit older, I'm not sure, but I was already a really weird kid. I literally believed I controlled the weather. Like, literally believed it. But my first comic book was Vampirella. I mean, what a costume. And I don't know how on earth my grandparents let me have that comic book. They just let me be my weird little self. They didn't care. I mean, I'm sure they cared. Yeah, they picked and choose, or they would pick and choose the kind of things to worry about. It's like I was basically a free-range kid. Just turn me loose in the morning on, unless it was a school day. If it was a school day, I was, I had to go to school first, but then I'd just run wild the rest of the day. Oh my goodness. But I loved it. I loved being free to go just run around and do whatever I wanted. And it was like that for me till I was like 11 years old. And then that's when they kind of started to pull the reins in. Like, oh. Oh no. And I rebelled so hard. Yeah, that's still me though. Anybody tells me what to do, I'm like gonna do the exact opposite. Oh Lord. Oh, excuse me. That was funky. That was a salad. Oh, and that's my roommate getting his water. I'm like, what's that sound? I'm eating every bite of the manicotti. I'm gonna finish my food today. How about that? Order only 2 meals. Ooh. Oh, I'm not saying I ain't full, because I'm like right there at the top. Man, oh man. Mm. Mm. Their garlic bread is better than Napoli's though. I'm gonna have to try Napoli's manicotti now. Napoli's lasagna is really good, but kind of so-so. Their calzone is like to die for though. This calzone is okay, but it's not as good as Napoli's. I will draw a line right there. It's good, but not as good. Napoli's garlic bread usually comes all dark, like really like overdone. This is good. It's like not too crispy. It's got a little chew. Chew, chew, chew. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. I'm pushing my limit right now. I could have stopped like 10 minutes ago. Mm. 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 And if I had gotten the cannoli that I ordered, I would have. Dang it, Angelina's. It's not fair. Mm. 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 There's like 3 bites left, but I'm struggling. Mm. Maybe I can make it 2. Mm. Mm. It's really salty. Mm. 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 What was that? Oh man. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Their marinara's a little bit salty too. Mm. 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 No way. Move, I want lettuce. Oh. Mm. 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 There's some little croutons left. Don't care. I need more water. Coldest. All right, you guys. Woo. That was yummy. That was good. Good job, Angelinas. The manicottis were a win. Were a big win. Your salad is really tasty too. Calzone, good. Just not the best. Just not the best. But anyway, I thank you guys for joining me. I had fun. I hope you did too. And I hope y'all are having a wonderful week. I love you very much. And I will see you next time. Bye now.